This week, we rolled out an upgrade to stories on OnchainMagic to make them an ERC1155 instead of an ERC721. This saves X percentage of gas costs. Our goal is to make it stupid simple for creators to put content on Zora. The challenge with our first iteration of stories was cost to deploy and ease of use, filling the wallet. How can we drive the cost of the everyday user, both the amount of money they spend, the time and the energy they spend to put moments and memories on chain? With our original use of Zora ERC721 drops on Optimism Mainnet, cost about 0.001 ETH for about $1.50, with creators earning 0.00444 ETH on free mint. They need to mint approximately 3 additions to break even. While this is way better than ETH Mainnet, where the costs are like $10 to $20 to deploy a contract, we still have a lot further to go. And so what did we get by switching to the 1155? The cost to deploy a new 1155 is 0.0005 ETH. It's already about 50% less than deploying a 721 on Optimism Mainnet. Then adding to your ERC1155, if you want to add a new story to an existing collection, it's 0.0003 ETH, which is about 25% of the cost to deploy a 721 on Optimism. It's a reduction of 75% from the ERC721A, and it's significantly more from the cost to deploy an equivalent 721 on ETH Mainnet. And so at this point, if you sell one edition, you earn 0.004444 ETH. This allows our costs to be low enough for local communities to subsidize gas fees. Because at this point, for a creator, they're earning right out the gate 0.000111 ETH for a story that they would not have earned for the story on Instagram or that post on Instagram. So how can we make it really easy to refill the wallet for the first time? We also rolled out auto refill for creators. So if you're about to create a post or a story and you don't have enough energy or ETH or fuel or gas, we automatically refill your wallet. This eliminated one of the most challenging parts, which was funding the social wallet. All of this is enabling our creators who have never used Zora before to upload content directly from live music events. One of the dashboards we need to build to make sure and to measure the few specific outcomes that we're optimizing for. And if you're going to post on Instagram, why not post it as a story on chain as well?